안녕하세요.
Where are you from?
England.
England. Okay. Your Portuguese. One person?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can choose iced tea or hot tea.
Iced tea.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm really embarrassed. I waited there for 30 minutes, guys, and I didn't even start stream right away. Welcome. Oh my god. Like, I'm right here. I just don't know where I go from C. I'm at the kimchi making place, but I don't see it. I'm like, is it this door? Or do I need to go here? Because the sign is here. There's 2 doors. I'm 10 minutes early. Should I just wait 10 minutes? I'm just gonna wait here until the time starts. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. I started stream after I waited 15 minutes. 안녕하세요. 한국어만 해요?
Okay. Can you speak Korean?
아니요.
From England and from Japanese.
Oh, Japan.
Okay. Today many Japanese people.
Oh.
Hi, bro. You can see me?
Oh, yeah.
So,
You want to say hi?
several?
Twitch.
I don't know.
Same YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Came many famous YouTuber.
Oh. I'm not famous. Just
Not
baby.
You can choose from please.
Oh, okay.
選んでください。はい。どんな色がよろしいですか？
Green.
Green? Yeah. 赤で。はい。This is omija tea. Omija. In English, is kinchandra. Okay, fruit of tree, red color, like very style omija tea. Sweet and sour.
감사합니다.
그런 데스네. どんな色よろしいですか？ 그림もあるし、パブもあるし。名前はイと申します。よろしくお願いします。Nice to meet you. My name is Samiri.
I think I'm the only one who speaks English.
今はもうシンガポール。じゃあ today's schedule is tea time and then go there making kimchi and then try eating kimchi pancake. Okay? How about you in Korean traditional house?
Yeah.
It's called hano.
Hano?
This is hano.
한옥.
Korean traditional house in Korean hano. Korean dress hanbok.
한복. I know 한복. And this is
Apron.
Apron.
Apron. Okay. Yeah, okay. One people come there.
I think I'm not gonna have space to put my camera in. Yay! Yay!
We have many kinds of kimchi. For example, 사이즈 요리. 또 씌워줄게.
Look at that, she's cutting it.
難しいと買うのものは本当にしょっぱいですから。You need moisture, so plain oil, put in the plain oil a little. So this is salt. This salt.
Oh my God.
Black salt and pink salt. No good, okay? White salt. Rinse the 3 times more, okay? And then
Rinse it 3
drain
times.
Drain wet, yes.
Salted shrimp.
Anchovy sauce. Anchovy.
This one is anchovy sauce.
Fish sauce. ちょっと長さが長いロースタイルベラのよくぐらい。 I'm professional.
Yeah.
本当に入れてください。これ薄い方が全部もし皆様できますね。ちょっとだけ3倍もよろしいと調節はできます。Today your kimchi about is 700 gram, 5 to 700 gram too. これ this is 2 to 300 gram. And this is chili. Chili 3 spoon put into this.
Okay.
The other all each one put into this. Okay.
Okay.
One chili only 3.
Fish. Sure. Ooh. Fish. 1, 2, 3.
マッサージもっともっと混ぜて柔らかくするまで混ぜてください。冷たい味が出るから。長いほど1 by 1 loaf like this. Okay. Loaf and a little radish. Okay. を一部から入れるよりはこのぐらい。Hold the olive and press and then go this way cover wrapping this way cover this way the wrapping and then the other all everything this way. Yes, this is
You put that.
kimchi 예뻐요.
There's literally food everywhere. 감사합니다.
Thank you.
Thank you. 네.
Your name Alex? Alex, I think Alex is boy.
Yeah. 네, Alexandra.
Alexandra. Okay. Do you have any question or you need a recipe? Give me an email, please.
Thank you so
This
much.
email address.
감사합니다.
終わる。忘れました。終わるからいいですね。ここの街綺麗な。
This is so cute. I love this apron.
イクソンとデートコースです。デザートカフェとか。
My kimchi. 감사합니다. All right, let me just show you around quickly before I leave. Here is the thing. Is this not the cutest thing ever? And then this is the place. Is that not so cute?